Been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life moves fast.
Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am working with RPGSHOW hair. So this wig right here, I am super excited to show it to you guys. This is their Mocha Mousse shoulder length wavy with curtain bangs, a lace frontal wig. And what makes this wig so exciting is this wig features their Lagos hairline. You guys see it right here. I am just in awe with this wig because I've never had a wig really that complemented my face shape so well. This hairline really complements my face because normally, you know, wigs come with a straight across hairline and it can make you look a little different. I feel like this was perfect for me because this is how my hairline is naturally. It's always been like that, so I feel like it really suited me well. So I'm like so excited about the hairline. Let me give you guys the details on this wig. So this is a 13x6 lace frontal wig. It is in 14 inches and 200% density. It is also glueless, so no type of adhesive is needed to install it. This is the wig on my head, completely glueless. It was such an amazing fit that I was just like, I just fell in love with the wig instantly as soon as I cut the lace and put it on. Before I even cut the lace, honestly, it just fits so well to my head. Also, if you would like to, you can use some type of adhesive to adhere your ear tabs down. Also, wanted to say the lace on this wig was so amazing, so invisible. The fact that I took it straight out of the box and put it on my head and it just like disappeared into my skin. I don't know. This wig was just perfection to me, from the color to the hairline. Everything about this wig was amazing, and I believe that it's worth every single penny. And it also comes with a pre-plucked hairline, pre-bleached hairline, and invisible knots. So again, the wig is just worth it. It comes with so much customization that you don't have to do anything but take it out of the box and put it on your head and you're just ready to go.